Okay guys, One Hill Waterfall, which is previously located in Durian Hill. Since COVID-19 came the tour, which is commonly this nice pool has been temporarily closed. Before COVID-19, this place was very frequent and crowded during holidays. This place is also of the ice to take pictures because the scenery is very good. Here also has a fish pond and lots of nice and big fish. For people who visit, they must be careful because the place is very prone to falling because it is very. Ceruk Tauris, Villa Notegers, Bungoran, Natuna Regency, Riau, Indonesia. The waterfall in this place flows directly from granite rocks and stress which will create a cool and beautiful atmosphere that will amaze any who see it. Enjoy the beauty of a waterfall, which accompanied by cool air is one of the comforts that attracts this tourist attraction. Some the rocks also seem to be designed to have create that will amazing as any who see it. Ceruk Tauris Village. To swimming pools also the add to be beautiful of this tourist spot because they can steal the attention of beach tourists who accidentally pass in front of it. This is most likely due to the presence of several fish such as tilapia and goldfish, which are very large and have a unique shape so that they are interesting to look at, and we can even directly feed the fish that are free. And we can even directly feed the fish that are there. Traveling will getting to know story. We looking at the calm of natural beautiful and slowly the town will expand the history. By the formation of the story's attraction, it is said that sea water runs to the land around Mount Ranai. Then, at that moment, there was also a shark that was carried away by the currents. Automatically, at low tide, the sharks are driven in the water basin around the mainland of Mountain Ranai. The water basin is what challenges such natural to become a water channel that follows downward of it can be called a waterfall. So from that until now this place is known as the Shark Mountain Waterfall facility at Shark Mountain Waterfall. The facility in the area around this tourist attraction are also quite complete. There are 2 swimming pools there that are never empty of history. Not only that, various kinds of outbound facilities are also available, ranging from playing fox, camping ground, king rover to parking that are available in full. If you feel hungry, you can stop by for a moment at the small huts in this tourist attraction just to get rid of your hunger. Several Indonesian specialties are available ranging from fried rice, bullets, noodles, free noodles, various kids office, and so on. Photo hunting on their top various places can be great photo shoot to complement your collection of collection memories. Share mountain waterfall in itself has a calm whose beauty has become an open secret so that it deserves to be a photo background or landscape photo itself. Then, if you go to the swimming pool which is still in the same area as this tourist attraction, you will see a mini waterfall which is deliberately designated to flow into the pool to add to the attraction and beautiful scenery that visitors can see even though they are in the pool area. Access to Mount Sark Waterfall because of this location in the Natuna Island. Those of you who come from outside this island or depart from outside must take the CRTB boats to get to the big port there. Then after arriving at a larger port, you can ask land transportation either by public transportation that's go to Mount Hill Waterfall. It takes approximately 25 to 30 minutes to get from the port. Tips for traveling to South Mountain Waterfall. Do you still remember from the earlier discussion that this tourist attraction also has a fish pond in which there are various kinds of unique fish such as goldfish and tilapia. Tilapia, where you can see and feed the fish as a traveling exercise is itself that you will certainly not forget. Is deliberately made very beautiful to accompany visitors swim while washing their eyes. And if you cross outbound, make sure all the shower ground provided by the official are properly installed to avoid these deaths are not deficit. Opening horse and at some ticket price. These tourist attractions start to often get from 9 o'clock to 5 afternoon, and the good news is that the story will not be target a fee to be able to enter its or in other words, it is free. Thank you very much, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.